Welcome to the Food Flamingo. In today's video, we're going to be making this delicious and easy banana chocolate swirl cake. This cake goes so well with a cup of tea or coffee or even just on its own. And the best part is that this recipe comes together so quickly and is made with the most basic ingredients that you definitely have in your pantry. So let's get started. In a bowl, mash together 3 large bananas or 4 medium-sized bananas using a fork. To that, add in a 1/4 cup of melted butter, a 1/4 cup of vegetable oil. Use a flavorless oil like sunflower or canola, 1/2 cup of brown sugar, 2/3 cup of granulated sugar, and we're going to mix this up, and next it's time to add the eggs. Make sure to use room temperature eggs and room temperature ingredients for the best results. To this, we're going to add a 1/4 cup of buttermilk and mix it all up. Set that aside, and in a separate bowl, we're going to sift together the dry ingredients. The full recipe is available in the description box below, so make sure to check that out for the ingredients list and instructions. I'm using vanillin, which is a dry form of vanilla, but you could also use vanilla essence. Just add that into the wet ingredients in the beginning. Now we're going to mix this up and add this into the wet mixture. Now we're going to mix this until it's just combined, making sure not to overmix. I have here 1/3 cup of roasted hazelnuts, and I'm crushing this using a mortar and pestle. You could also use a blender or chop this by hand. Just make sure it's chopped really finely. This ensures that they don't sink to the bottom of the cake. We're adding this into the batter and mixing again until combined. Now this batter is a little bit thicker than your usual cake batters, but that's totally normal, so don't worry about it. I'm cleaning the sides of the bowl, and we're going to pour this into a greased loaf pan. Lastly, we're going to add some dollops of Nutella or any other chocolate spread and swirl that into the batter using a toothpick or skewer. A quick tip here, warm your Nutella in the microwave before doing this. This makes it so much easier to swirl in the batter. I should have done that. Okay, now we're going to add in some more chopped hazelnuts on top and bake this for about 40 minutes at 175 degrees Celsius or 350 degrees Fahrenheit. As you can see, the toothpick should come out clean. We're going to let that cool completely and then slice and enjoy. And if you like this video, remember to give it a like, and if you haven't already, please subscribe to the Food Flamingo for more easy, delicious recipes just like this one, and leave a comment down below how you like this recipe and if you'd like to try it out or if you actually tried it out. Thanks for watching!